Hi, I'm Joel Hibbard, guide and outfitter with Nahanni Wild. We hope you're as excited about your upcoming expedition as we are. This short video is to help you as you pack your bags and get ready to join us on the river. If this is your first time spending more than a day or two out in the elements, or some time has passed since you last did, we know it can be a challenging task. That is why the team at Nahanni Wild is always there to help you in your preparations. In your pre-trip instructions, you'll have received a packing list for your trip. This list has been refined over years of experience and will ensure you have the right equipment for any condition. Your adventure will see you travel through some of the wildest country in North America, which means exposure to quickly changing weather. As any seasoned guide will let you know, the secret to being comfortable in these conditions is layering. River days mean starting with a quick dry swimsuit. The next layer will depend on what the day's weather has in store. Many women find a two-piece bathing suit is more comfortable and convenient. Does the early morning sun already have you reaching for your sun hat? Then choose a light cotton shirt and lightweight pants to help protect you from the surprisingly intense Arctic rays. In the north, exposure to the sun can be almost continuous, and it is important to cover up. You will notice your guides often choose to wear long sleeves, large hats, and are almost always continuously applying sunscreen to avoid the sun's damaging UV rays. A good sun hat and sunglasses are a must. For cool days, quick dry long johns of fleece or merino wool and an insulating upper body layer of fleece or wool will help keep you comfortable through the day's activities. Finally, footwear. We recommend choosing a sturdy water sandal with an ankle strap and a non-slip sole that will stay attached to your feet even when swimming in fast-moving water. It is important to have a pair of footwear that is comfortable and is able to be worn wet or dry all day long. Water shoes are also acceptable, but you will want to make sure they have straps or laces to keep them on your feet even when submerged in moving water. It is a good idea to break in your footwear before your trip begins. Joining us on a rafting adventure? A set of comfortable rubber boots can make a day in the raft much more pleasant. Just make sure to pull your rain pants over the top. When choosing footwear to wear around camp, remember that the ground can often be rocky and uneven. We suggest choosing a sturdy pair of hiking boots that can also be worn on excursions away from the river. If the clouds are rolling in and a cool breeze is blowing, a layer of fleece or merino wool will help keep you warm. Is your adventure taking you to the far north or deep into the mountains? A secondary piece of insulation, like a fleece jacket or other synthetic material, will help make sure you are comfortable even if the temperature drops significantly. A warm hat and wool socks will help retain your body heat and keep the chill at bay. A good set of rain gear is essential. Blocking precipitation and the wind, this layer is a great thing to keep handy at all times. Make sure not to be wearing any cotton if you are pulling on your rain gear, as it tends to stay damp and will quickly cool you down. After a day on the water, changing into a comfortable set of camp clothes can feel great. For relaxing and enjoying happy hour, wear clothes that are soft on the skin but will help you stay warm or cool. Cotton or linens when it is hot, or long underwear under fleece when it is cold. You never know when your warm hat might come in handy, and even gloves or mitts are nice to have. Remember, when packing for kids, that they are often more susceptible to extremes, both hot and cold. Make sure to pack extra clothes to keep them comfortable. When it comes to packing your gear, Nahanni Wild will provide you with 2 dry bags. The first is a small bag that will stay with you during the course of the day. Think of this like an airplane carry-on. We suggest that every day you pack your rain gear, sunscreen, sunglasses, water bottle, and anything else you might want available in this bag. It will fit inside a small backpack, or it can be used on its own. The second, larger dry bag will be like your checked luggage. In it will go your extra clothes, your sleeping kit, toiletries, and anything else on the packing list that you won't need through the course of your day. Please be aware that it will be tightly strapped down, so be mindful of packing breakable items. To make the most of this space, we suggest rolling your clothes, organizing them by type into smaller bags, and then placing everything into a 40-liter duffel bag so that they are easy to find and pack. It is often helpful to pack a plastic bag for dirty or wet items to help keep them separate. Finally, for those traveling with fragile items like cameras or video equipment, we recommend purchasing a Pelican case. These sturdy boxes are the gold standard when it comes to protecting valuable items and are a small investment when compared to the cost of your equipment. We all have different preferences, tolerances, and experiences. We encourage you to check your packing list, consult with guest services, and make sure you try out your gear before your expedition. Thank you for choosing Nahanni Wild, and we look forward to seeing you in the north.